This is Nirish from Sydney, Australia. And what I like about Vedic Maths is that we get to learn so much things, and we have something new to learn every day. And Rakesh sir is always happy and excited and resolves all our queries. If we have any hard one, he says that, okay, we'll have to do this. And then if there's always a 10 question page homework they give every day. And it's so much fun doing it then, and exciting and fun and excellent doing Vedic maths instead of old maths that we have to do a lot of work. And this is like we can do it quickly, and then we can just resolve, and then we can just go very quickly. So we don't need to waste our time. So that's what I like all about Vedic Maths. Thank you, everyone.